Let me show you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to be able to interact with Siri just using your voice, I'll show you how to turn it on. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is head into the Settings app of your iPhone. And if you scroll down a bit, depending on whether you have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, you'll see Apple Intelligence and Siri here. However, if you have an older iPhone, you'll just see Siri and search. So if you just got a new iPhone 17, you'll see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Let's go in here and you can see Apple Intelligence is turned on and we want to get to talk and type to Siri. Now you can see it says press side button for Siri. That is turned on, but Hey Siri is turned off. So if I press and hold the side button, you can see Siri now pops up just like that. Now let's get out of Siri and I can switch it to Hey Siri or Siri and it will pop up, but it's currently off. So if I say, Hey Siri, it doesn't do anything. But let's switch it to Siri or Hey Siri. And it does say that you need to set this up. You need to say, Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And by going through this process, you can see Siri is now ready. So I have turned this on, and now all I need to do, if I have my phone, I can say, Siri, Hey Siri, and just like that, it pops up. So I find that Hey Siri works a bit better and recognizes it a bit better than just saying Siri, but you can choose and do whatever you want depending on your preference.